Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW X1 trunk from inside. First, locate the trunk release button, typically found near the driver's door or on the center console. Make sure your vehicle is either unlocked or the ignition is switched on. Also, quickly check for any visible obstructions that might be blocking the trunk lid from opening properly. Once you've located the button, press and hold it down for a few seconds. You should hear a distinct click or whirring sound as the latch mechanism disengages. After releasing the button, the trunk lid should slightly pop open, indicating it's ready to be lifted manually. This is the primary method for internal access. If the trunk doesn't open, consider a power system check. Ensure your car battery has sufficient charge, as a low battery can affect electronic functions. You might also check the fuse box for any blown fuses related to the trunk release. Additionally, confirm that all doors are securely closed and latched, as some systems require this. If the internal release still isn't working, try using your key fob to open the trunk, as this uses a separate signal. For more detailed, model-specific instructions, always consult your BMW X1 owner's manual. If the issue persists, it's best to contact a certified BMW service center for professional diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.